Yeah guys, you're welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to mute a Telegram groups and channel. You don't want to hear anything from the groups, you don't want to let them talk, you don't want to receive any message. As you're just dropping the message, you're not gonna get any notification, but you'll be receiving the message. It's all that no notification from them. Let's get started. Now you open your plus. Now the first thing is we're going to mute a group now. This is it now. So we're going to mute a group. Now let's see. Okay, now we've arranged it. Now this is one of a group here. You can see this group. Just click on the group. Once you click on the group, what you're going to do is come to this your three line. You can see, and you can just click on. You can say I've already mute this. I'm just click on unmute. You can see. So if you want to mute it back, just click on mute, and this is it. No notification from this will reach you, but you're going to receive the message, but no notification. That's it. So now if you want to, this is for our group. Now let's go for another community here. Okay, this one now, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see click on this three dots and click on mute. Now mute for, you can customize the mute to either for 30 minutes, for 1 hour, for 2 hours, for 3 hours. Just click on confirm, and no notification for this for go to hours. So guys, if this helps, subscribe and like.